how to add Instagram link to your Facebook. So first, you want to go to a menu at the bottom of your screen. Then you want to tap your profile on the top left of the screen. And you want to choose edit profile. And you want to scroll down until the very bottom. And on these links, you want to tap add. On social links, you want to choose this public. And right here, you can choose whether you want your Instagram link audience to be public, just your friends, or just you. I want to choose public. And you want to tap this add social link. And tap again this platform. Then choose Instagram. After that, you want to tap your Instagram username. Make sure every word is right. You can click done. And after that, click save. And there you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.